Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Kipas Guys Stumble Guys mod menu. So this will give you a ton of settings. It's super cool. So just follow every step in the video, guys. So if you're using an iPhone, go to Settings, go to General, go to Background App Refresh, and just make sure this is turned on. So then go to Battery and make sure low power mode's off. You know it's on because the battery percentage is going to turn yellow. So just make sure low power mode is turned off. So once you've done that, guys, you are all ready to download the Kipas Guys mod. So we're going to go ahead and go to this site right here, which has a bunch of modded apps and modded games. Let me just go ahead and type it in. All right, so once you're here, guys, just come to the search bar and type in Kipas Guys, and it should come right up. Press on it, press download, and it should start to download onto your device. So it's literally that simple, guys. And Stumble Guys is cool, but this mod, it gives you so many additional features, guys. You're going to wish that you had it all along. So it's super crazy, guys, and there are so many settings. So remember to make sure your low power mode is turned off and that your background app refresh is turned on. These are going to help you out, guys, because they're going to make sure your device is prepared and just ready for the download of this mod menu. So as you can see, guys, we have a ridiculous amount of settings in here. I've unlocked all the characters, all the skins, all the emotes and stuff like that. So this is ridiculous. I don't know if the team loves this or not, but you can literally get all the emotes. It's so cool. And I just can't even believe you can actually go ahead and do this. So definitely go ahead and try it out, guys. Everyone needs to know about this. I mean, if you play Stumble Guys, you probably want to get this mod. I mean, it is awesome. So yeah, guys, definitely go ahead and try it at least once. Look, if you don't like it, then you don't have to use it, but it's going to work for you guys. I also want you guys to subscribe because I'm going to make some more tutorials in the future. So yeah, this is so neat and it's so cool. So yeah, I love it, and I've had no problems with it. I'm not even using the newest phone and it still works. I'm on the iPhone where you don't think about this stuff working at all, but it does. So try the download, get it out. See you later, and peace out.